Great interview. Superb interview. The Prime Minister was loving speaking to Republic Bangla and your questions were absolutely fabulous. Thank you, Mayuk. Okay, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, Ashok Mrityunjay ji of Aam Aadmi Party, Anirban Banerjee ji supporting the Trinamool Congress, Pulla Rao, anti-BJP, pro-DMK, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate. Okay, कहाँ गई इंडी? In fact, मुझे तो लगता है रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जी that even Mamata Banerjee has read the mood. She's saying मैं नहीं आ रही कोई इंडी विंडी मीटिंग में. सोनिया गांधी ने फोन किया सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी. सोनिया गांधी ने स्वयं फोन किया. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने मुझे कहा गया एक फीलर भेजा है, प्लीज आ जाइए 1 तारीख को. बोली मैं नहीं आ रही. ये कह रहे शी इज रिफ्यूजिंग टू कम. पुला राव जी, हाउ ह्यूमिलिएटिंग, हाउ ह्यूमिलिएटिंग इज दिस?
She has already given a reason why she is not coming. She said, I got an election that day.
So she can't come in the evening?
No. She
really? Is that the reason? Ratnakar Tripathi, is that the reason? Or is it the fact that the India Alliance and members of the India Alliance have already acknowledged defeat before the 4th?
In parts of Bengal.
Dr. Goswami, let me clear one thing to you. I know you have all praises for Narendra Modi ji, and you just, insult us by saying Indi Gadabandhan, as Narendra Modi says. So it is India Gadabandhan, not India.
No. I'll explain this. Ratnakar ji, let me explain this.
So
Indi A stands for alliance. Mane ki Gadbandhan. Indi A. Indi Gadbandhan. Indi alliance. Indi Gadbandhan.
Okay. Why don't you say that NDA? ND Alliance. Why don't you say so? Why do you say NDA? Say it ND Alliance.
Because they are not trying to copy my country's name.
No, I am not trying to copy. I am just trying to draw a parallel. If you are saying ND Alliance, say it ND Alliance. Please.
My country's name is not NDA.
Why? The formation they are having of the parties, it is known as NDA. Say it NDA.
Anyway, today you have said, आज सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी कांग्रेस ने एक बहुत बड़ा ऐलान किया है. इन्होंने कहा कि अगर वो पावर में आएंगे, ये यूएपीए को abolish कर देंगे, यानी कि the biggest anti-terror law, so that terrorists can be. आपने कहा है कि you will scrap UAPA.
No, I am telling you one thing.
Great news for terrorists in this country.
No. Let me.
You want their vote? You want the vote of terrorists? आपको terrorists का वोट चाहिए?
No. बनारस में एक बहुत पुरानी कहावत कही जाती है. Once upon a time, people used to think कि अगर कोई लेप्रेसी से है वो तो थूकेगा तो लेप्रेसी हो जाएगी. तो कहा जाता है कुड़िया डराए हम थूक दे. तो कब तक डराएंगे यूएपीए से, मुसलमानों से? सारे मुसलमान लूट लेंगे, कर लेंगे. Come out of that USP. There is one thing, 3-liner. You can fool all the people for some time, some people for all the time.
Boring.
But you cannot all the people all the time.
Boring.
The 3rd line now.
Boring, sir, boring.
Your presence for us.
Sir, I'll tell you, let Sudhanshu Trivedi respond to you.
सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता आती है.
मैं invite कर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी को तो आ जाएगा.
On this issue of UAPA,
I am very serious about the issue of UAPA, sir.
I will respond to what Mr.
How can you say we will remove the anti-terror law of the country?
An objection. No. I will respond on both the aspects. First objection Mr. Tripathi was having, that he wants to his alliance should be called India. Means he doesn't interested in the full form, he is just interested in the short form. So I have never heard that any of the Indian National Congress, means INC member, was saying Indian National Congress as Inc. I have never heard Inc. क्यों नहीं Inc बोलते थे भाई?
Inc.
Then we say BJP, but you say Indian National Congress or only Congress. When the full name is Indian National Congress.
देश के नाम का अपहरण करना चाहते हैं. They want to kidnap the country's name.
Politics of convenience.
Dr. Goswami,
and coming on the UAP, sir, they are not just promising. They have already done it. I would like to remind, in 2004, when Manmohan Singh government came, the first decision in their cabinet was to revert the POTA, Prevention of Terrorist Activities Act, which was brought by Vajpayee government. And you have seen what happened in the consequence. कौन सा ऐसा देश का इलाका था जहां धमाके नहीं हुए? चेन्नई से चंडीगढ़ तक, गुवाहाटी से गया तक, लखनऊ, फैजाबाद, नागपुर, वाराणसी, पुणे, कहां पे धमाके नहीं होते?
पठानकोट तक
बस में धमाका, और मुंबई और दिल्ली में दो बार धमाके होते थे. This was the outcome of the POTA withdrawal. Then they said that the Muslims are being targeted. But I would like to remind, the first anti-terror law was brought by Rajiv Gandhi government. That was TADA, Terrorist and Destructive Activities Act. It was brought by Congress government. And the number of persons who were indicated were LTT persons also, the Khalistanis also. But it was revoked by Narasimha Rao government on the pretext that the Muslims are being targeted. Then 93 के मुंबई ब्लास्ट और क्या-क्या होने शुरू हुए. That's why Prime Minister had said, इनको तो माफियाओं में भी वोट बैंक दिखाई पड़ता है. They are having an eye on a vote bank even at the cost of the national security.
Take that
even
shot.
at the cost of the terrorism. इसीलिए इनको जाकिर में शांति का मसीहा दिखता
Volume louder, yeah?
इशरत में बेटी दिखती है, याकूब मेनन में हालात का मारा दिखता है.
अरे बहुत कुछ और बोला सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, आप सबसे बड़ी बात भूल गए. सबसे बड़ी बात याद दिलाने की कोशिश कराऊंगा. अच्छा, मैं कह देता हूं, ये इनको अच्छा नहीं लगता. अशोक मृत्युंजय जी को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, अनिर्बान को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, मगर जो जॉइंट वेंचर इनकी थी, जॉइंट वेंचर ये सब पार्टियों की, शाहीन बाग, और शाहीन बाग में अशोक जी क्या कहा था? व्हाट वाज सेड? क्या आजादी चाहिए? जिन्ना वाली आजादी. नहीं, जिन्ना वाली आजादी.
Just one sentence.
जिन्ना वाली आजादी की बात हुई थी कि नहीं थी? Tell me, was that mentioned or not? जिन्ना वाली आजादी. What is जिन्ना वाली आजादी? Why should people not vote against the concept of जिन्ना वाली आजादी that was propagated by people who were supporting Shaheen Bagh? So the Prime Minister said today that these people are doing vote jihad. What's wrong fundamentally? This election, Ashok, is a clear election between nationalists in the country, pro-nation nationalists, and people who want to make things easier for terrorists by saying before the last phase हम anti-terror law को ही remove कर देंगे. We will, and one party which says we will destroy the nuclear weapons of India. Another party says we will remove the anti-terrorist laws of this country. These are the same people who allowed Ishrat Jahan, defended Ishrat Jahan.
And senior leader said that we should respect Pakistan because it is having atom bomb.
Correct. अरे सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, these are the same people जिन्होंने कहा.
Party says that we should destroy our.
No. These are the people who said Afzal Guru should never have been hanged. He has human rights too. क्यों Ashok ji? Am I wrong? Now they are all quiet. They are saying, Arnab, why are you reminding people about what we did? Yes, Ashok. Ashok Mrityunjay. Yes, Ashok.
It's good that you're raising this point. You know, while you raise this point, why don't you raise a point where Mirchi, Dawood Ibrahim 8 donated certain amount to BJP, which is the so-called nationalist party, the so-called, Deshbhakt party. Why did they collect donations from Mirchi? You're raising this question, which is absolutely right. We are totally against everybody who speaks against India, who speaks against our national interests, right? Be whoever it is for that matter. Same way, I would also request you to raise the issues of Dawood Ibrahim 8, Mirchi donating funds to BJP. Why are you not raising this question?
I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. 1 minute. I have investigated the Mirchi case. 1 minute. 1 minute. I have investigated the Mirchi case. If I'm not mistaken, during the time of the BJP, that the Enforcement Directorate had confiscated properties that were belonging to Iqbal Mirchi's business associates. But, Ashok, tell me,
I'm on TV.
What was the donation to BJP by Mirchi? Now that you have said that, Sudhanshu Trivedi is here, you verify, tell me, and if someone has sent you a WhatsApp, you give me the name of the person who sent you the WhatsApp. You have said that BJP has accepted donations from Mirchi. So Sudhanshu Trivedi will reply, I don't know any such case. where BJP has taken donations from Mirchi. Now Aam Aadmi Party is thinking,
That's why I was very much strange that how he's saying that.
How did you say that?
Even he is not knowing the full name. His full name is Iqbal Mirchi.
If you read the Times of India article, it clearly says BJP got from some Mirchi linked firm. I'm not reading any WhatsApp University messages. I am referring to
Times of India was also quoting Sachin Waze like he's Queen Elizabeth.
BJP received
Times of India used to quote Sachin Waze every morning.
I'm reading the news article.
Sachin Waze जो बोलते थे Times of India publish करता था कि नहीं? I'm not. Did the Times of India publish?
Let the BJP answer. No. Why?
Anyway, now no. 1 minute. You have to verify. You have to tell me. Tell me.
I am telling you, I am verifying an article.
Tell Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi reply.
The date I can tell you.
Reply.
November 2023. November 23, 2019,
Sir,
article was published at 5:16 IST.
I think you
what
should
else you
come
want?
out
I'm
after
verifying it and telling
verifying
you,
with
reading
the
in front of
facts.
me.
Don't
see
go
it,
by
I can
the
show it to you.
haywire
But
news
see,
which is
fact
based
wouldn't
on
change,
the
right? I'm
statement
reading an
of
article
somebody.
published in Times of
And
India.
अगर आप ऐसे बात करें तो you should remember in 2G spectrum,
you should answer.
the company
The BJP
which
should
was
answer.
given a
The
license
so-called
was
nationalist
also
parties,
having
the
the
so-called
investment
Deshwas
of
should answer.
Iqbal
Why
Mirchi.
did it happen? If the information is false,
I do not want to take
then
the
why
name.
have they not taken action against it? Why is it quiet? Why is BJP quiet on that? And they say, so-called, the BJP so-called Hindu National Party, they have taken donation from a beef exporter. You've taken 2 crore donation from beef exporter. You just come and, display a board of you're very fond of Hindutva, but you take donation from a beef exporter and nobody questions it. Why is that happen? Why can't you answer the question?
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
You've taken donation from Mirchi, you've taken donation from a beef exporter, and you're quiet and nobody questions you and you're not ready to answer that. Why would that happen? Why only the opposition being questioned? And you're absolutely right. If anybody for that matter, anybody in India who is against the national
One minute. You lecture BJP, but listen to me. I'll tell you one thing. You question BJP as much as you want. I will tell you one thing. Ashok, even today, 1 minute. No. Even today, the person linked to Iqbal Mirchi the most is this fellow called Nawab Malik. और आप अभी भी पूछ लो, Nawab Malik sees Arnab Goswami in his nightmares. He used to say that I will make Arnab commit suicide. तो मुझे मत पूछिए. You want to ask the BJP that, but that doesn't justify why you want to remove the anti-terror law in the country. You tell me.
We don't want to remove the anti-terror law.
Of course you want to. You want to. No, you want to. You want to. No. Today Congress has said we will remove anti-terror law.
I don't agree with that.
You may not agree, but you're an ally. That is the basic. So, but that is the problem with you.
We want to remove the abusers being made by
No.
illogical, unnecessary abuses being happening in the name of UAPA. The abuses which is happening in the name of PMLA Act.
Sudhanshu is on the debate.
Arnav, I would like to
we are
remind.
completely against the terrorism. We are completely against whoever is against.
This is not the Congress which has made this promise for the first time. I would like to remind in 2019, Congress in its manifesto has said that they will remove the sedition law because sedition law is being misused by the several governments. And you know, after 2019, which was the first government which has used the sedition law, it was the Congress government of Rajasthan. And they have used the sedition law against whom? Not against the terrorists, not against the Reuters, not against those who have done Sarpan se Juda, but against the MLAs, against not of the opposition like BJP,
Ratnakar Tripathi,
the MLAs of the Congress party itself, which from the opposite faction. Bhaiya, aapne to Sachin Pilot Group ke MLA pe sedition law
Ashok Gehlot in modifying laws. You can always be progressive. There's no law. So many amendments are there. The government also has amended criminal laws. You have to look to the future. You can't say this law has come. Is it working? Is it not working? Innocent people, some of them have gone to jail. You have to modify it. You have to be progressive. You can't say one law for all time. If they have another law coming up in its place, there's no harm. Okay. You can't stick with the same laws. It's a modern world, it's a progressive world, we change.
Okay, so great. So people watching the program, please see. I am not putting words in anyone's mouth.
No,
openly Congress party has said it will remove the anti-terrorism law. Does it make you feel safe? I am telling you,
better law.
We are not
better
saying
law.
that we remove the anti-terrorist
better
law.
law.
Never said
A more viable law. Viable law.
Sir, the Congress party spokesperson and leader Shashi Tharoor has said that we will remove the UAPA. We will scrap UAPA.
We may make it more stricter to make sure that all the terrorists are behind the bar or terrorists are convicted and given a capital punishment, but we would never say that.
Really?
We would remove the UAPA law, right? It is
of course, you have said you will scrap the UAPA law and you are in a fix because of it. And the Prime Minister has also spoken of vote jihad. I request you, Ratnakar Tripathi, please say. Ratnakar Tripathi, please ask the Congress leadership to condemn the statement on vote jihad. You saw what the Prime Minister said.
I will, Dr. Goswami, I will ask your viewers to decide whom to vote. People who haven't solved the Pulwama attack yet. People who took hundreds of lives of the army people, persons. People who invite Pakistan to investigate Pathankot Air Base, where ISI persons are involved in that 5-member team. Never in the history the openly declared country which opposes us, which are enemy country, they are invited on a red carpet. आओ पठानकोट केस की जांच करो, एयरबेस पे ठहरो और जांच करो. जांच क्या निकलती है जो निकलना था. तो let the people decide what BJP wants. Everybody knows that for Pakistan, Narendra Modi has a very soft corner. शादी के पहले चले जाना, बात करना, खाना, वहां पे रहना, पाकिस्तान को बुलाना. डॉक्टर गोस्वामी, मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, वी आर गोइंग टू रूल नाउ. सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता आती है. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. यू आस्क्ड अबाउट द व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी एंड डिबेट ना. They always blame that we shook hands with China. What is this, sir? Try it. 28th August 2019. Arun Singh, the General Secretary with 5 member parliaments of BJP and 20 other people in Communist Party of China's headquarters in China. Vijay Chothaiwala, Foreign Department Head of BJP. We are exchanging. They got training there.
आप अपने सीक्रेट अरेंजमेंट को पब्लिक कर दीजिए ना.
चाइना के साथ है.
आपकी सीक्रेट अरेंजमेंट जो है, देखिए, many people who will not vote for you. Ratnakar ji, you are an erudite man. Will you vote for a party that has a secret written understanding with Xi Jinping? Your leader Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have signed a secret agreement.
What they're doing there?
Release the document.
Tell me now.
Release the document. Why are you hiding it? Why are you hiding your agreement? Why are you hiding your agreement? Why are you hiding your agreement? छुपाने के लिए क्या है? Why are you hiding it?
Not government basis.
15 साल से छुपा रहे हैं.
And they said we are going to.
Then if there is no, put it in the public domain. I'll put it on Republic World.
Oh my God, the Chinese reformation.
Sir, with the Chinese you signed an agreement.
Yes. The Supreme Court has just said it doesn't exist. Please don't.
Sir, your leader has signed the document. You say it doesn't exist.
Has gone in the court and Supreme Court.
Sir, it's not a government document. It's a private arrangement with the Gandhi family.
So BJP is all.
It's a private arrangement with the Gandhi family. What private arrangement have you signed on behalf of the people of India? How dare you do that, sir? On what basis did you do it? You should not talk about China for generations to come. You've compromised my country's security. You've compromised my country's sovereignty by getting into a private arrangement with a possibly enemy country.
Don't shout at me. I gave you the proof.
You have got into an arrangement with China.
BJP party's general secretary in the capacity of BJP party general secretary along with 5
Have they signed an agreement? Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate 50-50. Ladies and gentlemen, it's hot right now. And it's hot on the debate 9:34. Sudhanshu responding.
Ratnakar Tripathi ji, there uses to be several delegations coming and out in there. But I would like to ask that Rajiv Gandhi Foundation has got direct money from the Chinese embassy.
Answer that right now, ladies and gentlemen.
You have got a direct money by check from the Chinese embassy and you are asking the question. And again, I would like to say, elections India mein ho rahe hain. Why Shashi Tharoor is writing article in the Bangladeshi newspaper Daily Star with an heading, Modi has to go. अरे भाई, हमें कहने की जरूरत है. चिल्लाइए नहीं, आप बोल रहे थे, मैं शांति से बैठा हुआ था. अब पूरी बात सुनिए. अगर पाकिस्तान का फॉरेन मिनिस्टर फवाद चौधरी ट्वीट करता है और राहुल गांधी को राहुल साहब लिखता है, वो नेहरू को कहता है he was a great socialist. And look at the wordings of Fawad Chaudhry. What he says, this is the same Fawad Chaudhry who on the floor of the House of the National Assembly of Pakistan has said कि हमने पुलवामा तक घुस के मारा है. He has taken full responsibility of पुलवामा और जिसके लिए हमने उसको किया था. But what he said? He says बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट जानी चाहिए, मोदी हटना चाहिए, उसके बाद जो मर्जी हो कर लेंगे. This is in letter and spirit the same sentence which India Alliance used to say. बीजेपी जाना चाहिए, मोदी हटना चाहिए, फिर चाहे जो कर लेंगे. None of the Congress MPs or leaders.
और ये अभी मिसयूज की बात करते हैं. नहीं, ये एक मिनट यूएपीए के पॉइंट पर अब मैं रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी को लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन watch now how I catch Ratnakar Tripathi live on television and I'm going to make him apologize to me.
और जवाब दीजिए चाइनीज एम्बेसी से पैसा क्यों
Just watch now, viewers. I respect him greatly. I don't want to create trouble for the senior Congress leader on my program, but I will prove tonight how Ratnakar Tripathi is wrong. Ratnakar Tripathi, there are many other spokespersons. सबके सामने आपको मैं आपके साथ कोई misbehavior नहीं करूँगा. क्योंकि I'm a very civilized and polished kind of person. But I will tell you one thing. Ratnakar Tripathi, you are the masters of misuse of law. You are the same people in the most cruel way. 67,500 people were arrested under Tada. And do you know how many people had a genuine case against them? Except 62,500 cases were found not to be tenable. Despite Gujarat having no terrorism, 1993, 19,000 people were arrested under Tada. Are Ratnakar Tripathi, anybody in India, ladies and gentlemen, and please young people of India understand, when this Congress party was in power, all their political opponents were arrested under a terrorist act, and they used to have a private arrangement with the Pakistanis.
Oh, shall I see?
Oh, let me know. Was Tada misused or not? Are my numbers right or not? Sudhanshu Trivedi is on air, and I call upon the conscience of Pulla Rao, Anirban Banerjee and Ashok Mrityunjay. You challenge me if you can. And
no, I'm not challenging you.
I'm reading an article in the Hindu.
What's the Hindu? I don't believe the Hindu.
May I remind you?
Baba, I don't read Hindu. I don't believe the Hindu. They got the story wrong on Rafael. I don't have any trust on them. I don't read a paper that gets stories wrong. I don't read that paper. It has no credibility in my view. I am not. No. I don't take the Hindu as a credible source. It's my independent right as a journalist.
Any evidence? Anab, you don't believe it, it doesn't matter.
Okay, then I tell you one thing, Ashok, tell me. Forget advertising Hindu. If they want to advertise on Republic, they'll have to do ads. They don't need you to come on the channel. Now listen to me, Ashok. Did Congress government help in covering up Pakistan's role in the Samjhauta blast or not? There was a confession of Safdar Nagori, who was part of terrorist group Simi, who said that he knew of the Samjhauta blast and it was carried out with the help of Pakistani nationals. But Congress protected Pakistanis and prosecuted Swami Asimanand. And Swami Asimanand was acquitted in March 2019. You saved Pakistanis and falsely accused Swami Asimanand. क्या गलती की स्वामी जी ने और क्या मेहरबानी की पाकिस्तानियों ने आपको should I expose and now आप यूएपीए को निकालना चाहते हैं?
असीमानंद के ऊपर एक्विजिशन किस बेस पे हुआ था? There was a magazine तहलका जिसने तिहाड़ में जाके स्वामी असीमानंद का इंटरव्यू लिया, in which he has said that I own all the responsibility. क्वेश्चन तो ये होना चाहिए जो जेल में था उसका इंटरव्यू कैसे हो गया? Instead of taking action on the authority, you have considered the statement given in an interview as an admission and as a proof. And on that basis, you have acquitted all the Muslims. Fact of the matter is, FBI भी इसका investigation कर रहा था समझौता एक्सप्रेस का. FBI के investigation में David Coleman, Headley की third wife, फौजिया ने अपने statement
Sudhanshu is on
कि जो पैसा हमने पाकिस्तानियों को दिया था, they have wasted in
Sudhanshu is on
the train blast. ये this is the very peculiar case of the Indian history.
We are in a very dangerous point in our political history tonight.
And said that Asimanand is behind, and they were unable to file the charge.
BJP has not arrested Congress vote. When you say that
other than that,
I will.
So-called action has been taken since last 10 years.
Ladies
You've
and
been
gentlemen.
for last 10 years, and now during election you say that
Yes, Ashok.
You don't have anything to claim in last 10 years to ask for a vote. You just have the Congress inefficiency which happened 10 years
Ashok,
back. Last 10 years you have nothing to
but
ask,
Ashok,
nothing to show to get a vote from people.
Ashok Mrityunjay, what I'd say to you is this. We are in a very dangerous turn in our country's political history. हम हमारे देश के राजनीतिक इतिहास में बहुत ही खतरनाक मोड़ पर आ पहुंचे हैं दोस्तों. इतने खतरनाक मोड़ पर हैं.
Now if BJP has performed so well in last 10 years, why are they talking about the 10-year-old story?
No.
Why are they worried about it now?
I'll
BJP
tell you.
should talk about their performance. You know what?
Okay, you tell me,
Ashok.
Ashok, you tell me.
What have they achieved in last 10 years?
You tell me,
Ashok. They should ask vote in the name of their performance.
Ashok,
when
a doctor,
they've been in power.
When a doctor,
Ashok
ji, when a doctor diagnoses a disease, he looks at the
they are talking about performance in Aam Aadmi Party. Punjab has witnessed the 85% come down in the investment in just 1 year. In 2022, the investment
now it goes in a different direction.
35,000 crores. Now it is come to 3,400 crores. क्या बात करते हैं?
It is 41,228 crores.
Ever
now you talk about Punjab, Mr. BJP spokesperson. Can you tell me how is your Home Minister Amit Shah?
Situation has worsened. It has become much worse than those who were the disturbing days of Punjab. This is become the Punjab
government will be de-established.
Witnessing this last 30-40 years.
I'll go back to Ratnakar and Sudhanshu. Ratnakar ji, this is such a dangerous turn in our history.
You want to respect the people mandate?
This is such a dangerous turn in our history, and I feel that such a big mistake, even bigger mistake than Muslim quota.
Minister Balkar Singh's case, in which he is
even more, viewers, let me explain this, even more dangerous than Muslim quota, even more horrible than inheritance tax, is this plan of Congress party, which is today's breaking news, that they will abolish the anti-terrorism law of this country, which is saving the country from terrorism, called UAP. Now you will tell me, Arnab, why should you think big things about this? Ignore कर दो. मैं ignore करता, मगर मैं आपके पार्टी की जो background history है, record है, उसमें मुझे दिखता है कि आप हमेशा ऐसा करते हैं. In fact, you were accused of rewriting the Ishrat Jahan charge sheet in March 2016. Former Home Secretary G.K. Pillai alleged that in the Ishrat Jahan case, the then Home Minister Chidambaram called a lower functionary in the Intelligence Bureau and totally rewrote the affidavit. The draft was dictated by him, so no one else could say anything, unquote. And it is in the public domain how the second affidavit diluted Ishrat Jahan's terror background.
The change of affidavit file was missing from MHA.
No. So point is, you know, you understand what I'm saying, sir. Your background, Sohrabuddin case in September 2018.
And Ishrat Jahan case is a very peculiar case in the entire investigative history of India.
Everything.
Arnav, एक sentence मैं कहना चाहूँगा.
मैं एक बात कहूँ आपके कहने के पहले.
Initially, the IB of the UPA government and CBI both were saying it is a terror ploy from Pakistan. Suddenly, CBI has taken a U-turn and said that Ishrat Jahan was innocent, and IB stood by their previous stand.
Now, why Sudhanshu Trivedi?
In a unique case in which two agencies of the same government are against each other.
Whatever remaining voters you have.
Terrorist, and CBI was first saying terrorist, now saying innocent. ये तो कभी नहीं हुआ भाई साहब कि IB CBI दोनों एक दूसरे के खिलाफ हो गई.
I think
सिर्फ इसलिए कि इशरत जहां मोदी जी को असैसिनेशन के प्लॉट में जा रहा था. बस जैसे ही वो बात आई तो इशरत जहां के प्रति मोहब्बत उभर आई.
रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जी, इस पर आपको यू मस्ट इशू क्लैरिफिकेशन।
मतलब है कि ये गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी पे विश्वास नहीं करते। अगर दो गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी की अलग अलग रिपोर्ट है तो ये विश्वास नहीं करते। एक दूसरे आप किसको डरा रहे हैं?
अरे साहब यू टर्न लेके और बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के खिलाफ, तो कौन सी आईबी से सीबीआई से दोनों को सही नहीं हो सकती। एक कह रही इनोसेंट, एक कह रहा टेररिस्ट। बताइए।
सेव योर टाइम फॉर द पार्लियामेंट सर।
हाँ बताइए।
10 साल आप थे, आपको जो करना था कर लेते। वाई शूट एंड स्कूट? कभी आपने, मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, फिर बीच में बोल रहा है, फिर बीच में बोल रहा है ना। आपके पास चाइनीज एक्सचेंज का जवाब है, पुलवामा क्यों नहीं सॉल्व किया आपने, उसका नहीं जवाब है। आपके पास पठानकोट एयरबेस पे आपने
सॉल्व कर दिया, ठोक के बराबर कर दिया भाई, क्या बात कर रहे हैं
सर? बोलने दीजिए, उसका जवाब नहीं है। कोई एक आपके आशिक हैं फवाद चौधरी, जो हम लोग के लिए लिख देते हैं। भाई आपने अगर खुद कहा कि फवाद चौधरी ने एडमिट किया कि मैं पुलवामा में था, सरकार आपकी अपनी एफआईआर में डाल दो ना, उसको एक्यूज बनाओ ना, पूरे विश्व में होता।
आप पुलवामा में पढ़ते ही नहीं हो क्या?
अरुण जी बीच में मत बोलिएगा।
हंस क्यों रहे?
अरे ये नहीं कहा उसने, मैं था। उसने पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट के लिए कहा कि हमने पुलवामा तक घुस के मारा, पाकिस्तान वाज ओनली। क्या बच्चों जैसी बात करने लगते हैं? फवाद चौधरी नोटेड दैट ही हिमसेल्फ वाज इन पुलवामा।
अरे सरकार बात सुन लीजिए ना, माननीय सांसद महोदय बात सुन लीजिए। 19 में उन्होंने कहा आप कहां था? अब मार्च 2016 में आपने पाकिस्तानी सेना क्यों बुलाया था? तब आईएसआई को क्यों बुलाया था? क्यों गलबैया की थी? अगर आपको पता है क्यों गलबैया की थी। अब फवाद चौधरी लिखे चाहे नवाज शरीफ लिखे, जाते तो आप है ना। 15 आपने विजिट किया प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने हमारे, जो अनऑफिशियल विजिट टाइप थी चाइना में, आपने एक्सचेंज किया। किसको कर रहे हैं? 5 दिन बचा है सर। मैं तो बहुत खुश हूं सर कि आप भाजपा के राज्यसभा सांसद हैं, तो यू विल बी हैविंग योर टेन्योर। जो लोग बाकी लोग हैं वो खोजेंगे, बंगले खोजेंगे, जगह खोजेंगे। तो आप निश्चिंत रहिए, आप और डॉक्टर गोस्वामी दोनों मिलकर के तालियां पीटते रहिए, एक्यूज करते रहिए। जनता देख रही है। जनता बिल्किस बानो के बलात्कारियों को, वो गुजरात को जानते हैं माननीय मोदी जी, माला पहना पहना के आपने वापस
पाकिस्तान से कहीं पहुंच
गुजरात में छोड़ा। सरकार अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट माई बाप ना रहा होता तो आप लोग सीरीज ऑफ, मैंने बताया था ना आपसे, इसी चैनल पे बोला था मैंने कि कुणाल पांडे, अभिषेक चौहान, शंकरशरण पटेल, आपके क्षेत्रीय सचिव के पीए लोग, इन्होंने बीएचयू की लड़की से बलात्कार किया आईआईटी की। और आपने 3 महीना वीडियो रहने के बाद इसलिए नहीं खोला कि राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ में चुनाव थे। आप बताएंगे।
Okay, viewers, I think somewhere, मैं आप देखिए रत्नाकर जी, I have to close.
He's unable to fix what is main point.
और उसको अभी देखने
from UAPA to Pakistan to Pulwama, he seems to be too much confused.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll say this. I think the Prime Minister is in 5th gear in the campaign right now. We have one important phase to go. I believe the Congress Party's statement on UAPA, scrapping it, is most unfortunate. And finally, the way I see it is that the final home run